Hey there everyone, welcome back to Teach on a Tuesday, the show where I break down your favourite songs to help you become a rock star in no time. I'm your host Talena, and today we've got a special treat for you. We're diving into the sultry and powerful Dangerous Woman by the one and only Ariana Grande. So grab your guitar, piano or whatever you like to play and let's get started. Before we jump into it, remember to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an episode. Alright, let's dive into Dangerous Woman. Firstly, let's break down the core chords for this song. On the piano, you'll be playing an E minor chord, a G chord, and a C chord. Here are the notes for each of those chords. E minor is E, G, and B. G on the piano is G, B, D. And C on the piano is C, E, and G. On the guitar, here are the chord shapes you will need. E minor, G, and C. Now practice these chords until you're comfortable with the changes. Remember, practice enables progress, and accompanying yourself as a vocalist gives you the freedom and the independence to express your music in a unique way. Now, the other thing we need to talk about is that the song follows a 6/8 time signature, which means we count to 6 to get the timing for each bar. Now, we're going to run through the chords together, beginning with E minor for one full bar, then we shift to G for another bar, and then finally we play C for 2 bars. Keep practicing until you get to play these chords seamlessly, one after the other. So it goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hopefully you can start to hear the song being created with these chords underneath. Now we're going to move over to the guitar. We're going to do the same chords in that timing on the guitar for you guitarists out there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just keep rewinding this video so that you can get used to the timing of those chords and the transitions. Now that we have the chords down, let's dive into the song. We'll start with the first verse and chorus. So here are the lyrics and the chord changes put together. Don't need permission, made my decision to test my limits. 'Cause it's my business, God is my witness, done what I finished. Don't need no hold up, taking control of this kind of moment. I'm locked and loaded, completely focused, my mind is open. Oh, that you got skin to skin, oh my God, don't you stop, boy. and I'm bulletproof and know what I'm doing. The way we're moving, like introducing us to a new thing. I wanna save it for later, the taste of flavor, cause I'm a taker, cause I'm a giver. It's only nature, I live for danger. Oh, that you got skin to skin, oh my God, don't you stop, boy. Something about you makes me feel like a dangerous woman. Something about you makes me wanna do things that I shouldn't. Something about you. Take your time practicing these parts, and soon you'll be singing along to Dangerous Woman like a pro. And don't forget, on Friday I'll be releasing the video on a full playthrough of the song, so you can play along with me and master it even faster. Remember, practice enables progress. If you've enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And if you have any other song requests or questions, leave them in the comments below. Until next time, keep making music and keep being amazing. This is Talena signing off from Teach on a Tuesday. Have a fantastic day.